Chou Wei Precision Company. Chou Wei of Sustainable Management. Founded in 1991, Chou Wei Precision Company is a professional processor and manufacturer of various types of precision metal and electronic components, upholding the business philosophy of continuous innovation and striving for perfection. And with the collaborated efforts of all the employees, the company has not only achieved technical breakthroughs and development of new products, but has also imported advanced processing equipment and all kinds of testing equipment from other countries to strengthen the corporate constitution, continue to head toward high ground, cope with future competition, and achieve the corporate philosophy of sustainable management. The service team that engages in specialized labor division to win market opportunities. Chou Wei adheres to stringent processes and is equipped with the most advanced production and testing equipment in the industry. It adopts vertical integration technology, starting with the mold design, based on the drawings provided by customers before mold making. Chou Wei first converts the CAD files for customer confirmation. Customers may also provide CAD files to allow Chou Wei to engage in mold making, turning, milling, wire cutting, discharge, straightening, welding, sandblasting, hobbing, grinding, zinc coating, nickel coating, chrome coating, axial plastic packaging, and more. The vertical integration greatly shortens the development time with the help of comprehensive new production equipment. The company continues to strengthen its manufacturing team to achieve total customer satisfaction. Chou Wei adheres to high-quality standards and has received the ISO 9001-2000 certification. Its stringent system of quality testing ensures products meet the high-quality requirements. From the raw materials, material inspection, Chou Wei is equipped with a lineup of comprehensive inspection equipment, such as high-precision 3D measuring system, optical measuring projectors, precision granite platform, digital altimeter, digital depth gauge, digital 3-point inside micrometer, digital outside micrometer, and so on. With strict production and quality control processes, we make sure products delivered are in line with customer requirements for high-quality products. A commitment to meeting customer satisfaction through comprehensive and diverse product lines. Product excellence can only be achieved through high-performance processing equipment. Chou Wei's OEM covers extensive scopes, including information, telecommunications, transportation, electronics, and machinery industries. There is also a wide range of processing materials, such as copper, iron, stainless steel, aluminum, titanium, various plastic materials, and other materials that are difficult to cut. We continue to improve our professional capabilities and service quality in order to, through sustainable management, achieve customer satisfaction and earn their trust. Chou Wei Precision's pursuit of excellence. The future direction from the General Manager. Looking ahead, Chou Wei shall continue to provide more comprehensive, high-precision processing products and services. It insists on offering products of the highest quality at the most reasonable prices, with the best service attitude. We look forward to establishing long-term relationships with you. We shall accurately and quickly respond to customers' feedback, engage in global marketing, and achieve new performance heights.